Constant learning is the key to success, guys. If you are a professional coder or a student like me, you should always try to improve your skills to become a better coder. If you are a better coder, you should always try to become the best coder possible, because best coder is equal to best salary. The world is constantly evolving, guys, and you need to keep pace with the future. To keep you relevant with these skills, you should always try to work on these skills. So let us discuss 5 different ways of how you can improve your skills to become a better coder. If you are new to this channel, guys, go hit that subscribe button and smash the like button to get more amazing content. So let's get this video started. So the first thing is always keep learning. Telling yourself that you don't know something is the first step of you learning something new. Often experienced programmers find it hard to identify areas where they lack because they believe that they know everything. So learn from everything and everyone that comes your way. So it will help you to become a better coder. So the second important thing is improve with experience. We all do mistakes, guys, but to be great at something, you must always learn from your mistakes. We do better at a task with experience. Staying with the same mindsets and beliefs won't be beneficial for you in the future and would not do any better. As a programmer, you should always try to become better than before, as it will help you gain experience in real sense. For example, if I was solving a problem in 30 minutes, I will next time try to solve within 25 minutes. It will help me gain experience and do better at a specific problem. So the third thing is strive for perfection. We often stop at a point where we think that we have achieved the goal. Programmers always try to write quality codes, and most of them stop when they feel it is done. However, to become a better coder, you must always try to think that no code is perfect, and we always constantly need to try to get the code perfect. So always strive for perfection to get the code run faster, reliable, and be quality packed. So the fourth most important point, guys, is write your code thrice. Yes, you heard me right. Write your code at least thrice. There are various solutions to a specific problem, but there is always one best solution available. Good programmers try to write code as many times as possible till they feel that they are satisfied with the solution. Good, better, best. So the first time you write your code, you'll always try to find a specific solution to a problem. The second time you write your code, you'll always strive to get closer to the expected output. And the third time you write your code, you'll always strive for the code to be perfect. As I always say, strive till you get it perfect. So the final fifth and most important tip that I would like to give you is reading of codes. In coding, often you expect to write codes, but reading of what other programmers have written is quite important. Codes can be written in many different ways, and there is no way right or wrong to it. When you read others' codes, you often explore the possibilities and alternatives that can be included in your code and help you code faster and in a reliable way. There are various forums available across, such as LeetCode, HackerRank, HackerEarth, CodeForces, where you can read and review what other programmers have written. This will not only brush up your skills but improve you to be a better coder. So guys, if you like this video, comment down below what are your tips and tricks to become a better coder. Also, share this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Keep watching Scholars Club.